Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Outlook app or visiting Outlook. Office. Calm right now. Make sure you have your email address and any recovery phone or secondary email visible because you may need them mid-process. Once signed out or at the sign-in screen, enter your email and tap Next. If you already saved credentials, choose Use another account to force a fresh sign-in. Do this to trigger the authentication flow so you can verify whether the stored password still works and proceed cleanly. You enter the password now, paying attention to caps lock and keyboard layout to avoid simple typos. If sign-in succeeds, your password is verified and you can proceed to update stored credentials. If it fails, click Forgot Password and follow the verification steps. Microsoft will ask for a security code sent to your recovery phone or secondary email. Once you receive the code, type it in promptly. Make sure to review any account alerts that explain why access was blocked, so you know the root cause. If you must reset the password, follow the Create New Password prompts and pick a strong, unique phrase. Once done, immediately update saved credentials in the Outlook app, account settings, or Windows Credential Manager so sync resumes. Make sure to sign out and sign back in where necessary. If mail still won't fetch, clear app cache, remove and re-add the account, or try another device to isolate the problem. If none of that helps, contact support and provide the exact error message and timestamps for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.